try it. Let's see if we can pull it. There we come. Nice, he's getting bird's eye view perspective. That was a big bird, big bird.
All right. Tere.
Tere! Good to see you.
But if you go too far away, you'll have to consider the older people and those that need to walk along. But the older people are the very So that's why I want to do a weekend festival to so we have a plan right now. And so it's maybe 15-minute walk, but so anybody and everybody can do it, you know. And so that would be our parade, basically going down, and then from there go directly to the Rafapido and do Damsubidu and Laulubidu there, and then on the sidewalk.
Tere tulemast, armsad kaasmaalased ja sõbrad. Soovin teile head Eesti päevade tuju, rõõmsaid koosviibimisi sõpradega ja rõõmu sellest, et võime üheskoos pühitseda meie isamaa taasiseseisvust. Ma sooviks teile tähelepanuks tuua meie Eesti vapid, mis on tehtud aasta 1953, kuna tänapäevani. Need vapid on kokku pandud Tiina Johnson ja Helve Kalmani poolt. Töö hakkas peale 2 aastat tagasi. Teil on hiljem võimalik neid lähedamalt näha esimese paviljooni juures mäe peal. Samuti ma sooviks tähele panna, et siin on mõned Lääneranniku Eesti päevade presidendid, kes kannavad oma lippe. Ma hakkaksin peale Toomas Nappa Seattle 2009. Valdek Parik San Francisco 2001. Mati Otsmaa San Francisco aasta 1993. Alar Suurkask Vancouver aasta 2005. Aine Kalm Los Angeles 1999. Sel ilusal rahvapeopäeval meil on palju, millest oleme tänulikud. Meil on tõesti tore üht-teist jälle näha. Vancouver, Seattle, Portland, San Francisco, Los Angeles On justkui Eesti külad, kus perekonnad tulevad kokku Eesti laulus ja tantsus, kus naerame ja nutame, kus mängime ja töötame koos. Me toetame ja oleme ühe teisele alati abiks. Meil on ka palju sõpru kokku tulnud üle Ameerika, Kanada, Austraalia ja ka kodumaalt, kelle üle meil on väga hea meel. Teiseks me oleme tänulikud selles, et võime oma perekonda kasvatada Eesti vaimsuses ja õnnelikult elada vabaduses, kus võime seda igal ajal väljendada. Kolmandaks oleme õnnelikud, et senini on päevad hästi läinud, teades, et oleme alles teisel päeval ja palju toredaid üritusi on veel tulemas. Me oleme 2 aastat seda plaaninud. Viimaks me oleme ülimrõõmsad, et täna ei saja vihma. Meie suvi algas ju eelmisel nädalal. Ma soovin teile ilusaid ja mälestusrikkaid Lääneranniku Eesti päevi 2011. Ma tänan teid.
You catch all that?
Yeah.
His accent sounds kind of Canadian.
Kind of. He's born and raised here in Portland, though.
Läksin neediste küllase, tilkus multinade sani. Valkus vaskeb ja hobune, Lukus looga kulda kuisi, loo minu laulis looga peala, teine teise aissa peala.
Mul on maanumaa väitse, mul on maanumaa väitse, mul on maanumaa väitse. Allomi vlir
puttumaie, kui tuli poissi puttumaie.
Naise meesi narrimaie,
Naise meesi narrimaie, naise meesi narrimaie. Vitsi teosse.
öbekäni käyseessä.
Öbekäni kauseesse.
Manu
Janiko, Janiko, tule meie, tule Manu, Janiko, Janiko.
saa meie suitsu Manu
Janiko, Janiko, saa meie suitsu Manu, Janiko, Janiko.
Siin aamu oodatakse
Janiko, Janiko, siin aamu oodatakse, Janiko, Janiko.
oodatakse, vaadatakse
Janiko, Janiko, oodatakse, vaadatakse, Janiko, Janiko.
Toomele taimekene oma tarrele.
Taimekene oma tarrele.
Aige kari kodu poolele.
Age kari kodu poolele.
Juba tuleb pime ööle.
Juba tuleb pime ööle.
Pime tuleb hämmar hällib leele.
Pime tuleb hämar hällib leele.
Hey, this is the coolest thing ever.
That's
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Let me see it. It's lemonade. That's cool.
I hear Allison.
That is so awesome.
That's a really good lemonade too.
Oh, almost. There it goes.
Whoa.
Oh, almost.
It's because the pressure's on, man.
Boot throwing contest. I don't know. We can do better than that.
Yeah, I want to see a guy throw it.
These will now count. So we know you can throw 34.
Oh, that's better.
And the
Okay. Not bad.
That's too weird. I think it's too weird.
It's more difficult than it looks when you watch it on like at a track meet. It's really hard.
Whoa, hey. That's
Oh,
pretty good.
That's a kick-ass throw.
You better go measure that because I'm not.
Okay, Maze.
yeah. I already did it.
All right, this is the maze. No cheating, no looking over the wall. Dude, a pirate ship! This is cool in here. Whoa, that's a tight door. Ow. It's a tight door and a low ceiling. Captain Chrissy! Driving yar pirate ship! Ah,
Look, and I'm crossing midline.
through the forest.
Yar!
On the high forest.
I know it really doesn't look very sea-like, does it? I feel like a captain of a ship.
In a forest.
I could totally, if I were the captain, I would have a rope from here, and instead of using the ladder, I would swing down every single time, and I'd fly down to here, and then, ahoy, ye mateys! My captain's quarters.
Trapeze. Trap. Trap. Trampoline. Transformation.
I have never been in one of these. This is so cool. We have to go fast.
I'll steer.
Okay, you steer.
Okay, we're gonna do it. We're gonna drink.
Yep, I'm ready.
Yay!
Fun.
Okay.
Now you-
I know, sometimes
You guys
I just
care
wanna
too much
say
about
things
what other
how they
people
are,
think.
and we have to be nice. It's like, what the heck?
Like, well, we have to live with a lot of other people.